Hi, this is Dr. Jenny Mitchell, and I'm going to show you how to do a scatter plot in Excel, and we're using one of the data sets from Ascombe's quartet. So essentially I've typed in the X and the Y. I'm going to go to my insert, and I'm going to either pick a statistics chart or however we want. I'll just do a chart. And so the recommended chart they have here is the scatter plot. So I just select that and say OK. And then we have it up here, and we would probably want to rename this something like data set 1 and Ascombe's quartet. And as you can see, if you go here, you can see that if we go on the 10 scale and look at this X right here, that is the 8.04. So we can see where they're plotting the X and the Y. Now this is in Excel, and so I'm now going to add show you how to do it in SPSS. So let me pause and I'll set it up. Okay, now you see the same data, but now we have it in SPSS. So in this one, I'm going to click on Graph, and I'm going to click on Chart Builder. The first time I did this, it scanned the data. I've already have this in here, but I'll reset it so you can see it. So we select the scatter. We're going to drag that up there, and then we're going to pull the X value here and the Y value here, and then we just say OK, and it'll set it up in our chart here. So here it is. Here you see the same plot, the same scatter plot done in SPSS. And remember, you can double click things if you want to adjust it. If you double click it, it brings up the chart editor. So for example, if you wanted to make these larger or change the title or whatever, you would be able to do that. So hopefully this helps you.